Hello. The topic for discussion is time and work from quantitative aptitude. So the problem here is if A can do some work in 5 days and if B can do the same work in 6 days, how many days they will take if they work on the same problem together? To solve such kind of problem, we should assume the total work. So the total work we should assume will be the LCM of these two. So let's say the total work to be done is equal to LCM of 5 and 6, so which is equal to 30. So now to do this 30 unit of work, age taking 5 days means in one day A is doing 30 by 5 is equal to 6 units of work. Similarly, in one day B is doing 30 by 6 is equal to 5 units of work. Now when they work together, so the work done will be summation of this work and this work because they are working together. So A plus B in one day will do 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 units of work. So they do 11 units of work in one day, so they are supposed to complete 30 units of work. So they will take 30 divided by 11, so which is equal to 8 by 11 days to complete the work. So now let's say C, who can do a work in 12 days, the same work. If he alone works, he can do the same work in 12 days, right? Let's say C, who can do the same work in 12 days, also joins them. Then if they start working on the same problem together, how many days they will work to complete the problem, to complete the work. So again, the approach is same. Assume the total work done or total work to be done as the LCM of these three. So total work is equal to LCM of 5, 6, 12. So that is equal to 60 units. Now if A alone works on the problem, so A will take 60 by 5, or A will do 60 by 5 is equal to 12 units of work in one day. Similarly, B will do 60 by 6 is equal to 5 units of, 10 units. 60 by 6 is 10 units of work in one day. Now C will do 60 by 12 is equal to 5 units of work in one day. Now they are all working together. So A plus B plus C one day work will be equal to 12 plus 10 plus 5 is equal to 27 units. So in one day they do 27 units of work, but they are supposed to finish 60 units of work. So time taken or number of days taken by A plus C number of days taken to finish 60 units of work is equal to 60 by 27 is equal to 27 to the 54, remaining 6, so 6 by 27 days. Let's solve one more problem. Let's say A can do some work in 10 days. B can do the same work in, let's say, 12 days. How many days they will take to complete the work if they work together? So again the approach is same. Assume the work to be done or total work as LCM of 10 and 12, so which is equal to 60 units. So they are supposed to complete 60 units of work working together. Now for this, how many units of work A will complete if he works alone in one day? So A's 1 day work, we'll find A's 1 day work is equal to 60 units he completes in 10 days. So in one day 60 by 10 is equal to 6 units of work he will complete. Similarly, B's 1 day work is equal to 60 is the total units of work which he will complete in 12 days. So in one day he will do 5 units of work. Right? Now A plus B's 1 day work is equal to 6 plus 5 is equal to 11 units. Right? So A plus B working together can complete 11 units of work in one day. So in how many days they will complete 60 units of work, because total work to be done is 60 units. So the time taken or the days taken by A and B to complete the 60 units of work will be equal to 60 by 11 is equal to 11 5s are 55, the remaining 5 by 11 days. Let's take one more problem which is slightly different but of the similar kind. So A and B together can complete a work in 6 days. Now A alone can complete the same work in 9 days. How many days B will take to complete while working alone? So let's say the concept is again same. Assume the total work is equal to LCM of 6 and 9, so which is equal to 18 units. is the total work. So A plus B takes 6 days to complete 18 units of work. So in one day, A plus B's one day work is equal to 18 by 6 is equal to 3 units. So A's one day work is equal to A alone can complete the work in 9 days, that is 18 units of work he is completing in 9 days. So to complete in one day he will do 18 by 9, that is 2 units of work. So now you see here A plus B are doing 3 units of work in one day, and A alone can do 2 units of work. So how many units B alone can do? So B's one day work is equal to 3 units is A plus B and 2 units A alone. Then B will take 3 minus 2, or B will do 3 minus 2, 1 unit of work in one day. So one day, 1 unit. So 18, how many days for 18 units? So which is equal to 18 into 1 divided by 1, which is equal to 18 days. So B alone can take 18 days to complete the work. So thank you. We'll continue with this discussion in the next video.